Comes as Arkansas adds another 2,100 new cases of COVID-19 since yesterday. It brings the total now above 281,000. Active cases dropping by another 500, down to 20,107. 18 fewer hospitalized, 53 more deaths pushes that total now above 4,500. And about 257,000 people have recovered from the virus in Arkansas. Here is the positivity rate. This is the number of tests that come back positive. The rate for today, 13%, while the 2-week rolling average, as you can see here, sits at about 19%.